Hey everyone, Chris Ruhm with the Ruhm-Insurance Agency, licensed independent insurance agent located in Cincinnati. Have any of you guys seen those life insurance commercials on TV? What are the 3 Ps of life insurance? Our old friend Alex Trebek of Jeopardy used to be the main celebrity sponsor. Now it's another gentleman that does them for him. It's Colonial Penn Life Insurance. There's a whole slew of these final expense life insurance companies out there. Well, in this particular advertisement, it says, what can $9.95 get you? And do I qualify? Everybody qualifies. Well, $9.95, depending on your age, might get you a $2,000 benefit if you're like 50 years old. If you're 85 years old, it might give you a $500 death benefit. These policies are predatory. Yes, they could help somebody in a perfect situation, but I compare them to the payday loans when we used to have those 125% loans that you could go collect your paycheck before you actually got it, and then you're just doomed for life in this endless cycle of paying to catch up on the high interest. Well, these particular policies might only have, they'll have clauses in them. They're guaranteed, yeah, but the first 2 years, if you pass away, they're just gonna give you your premium back plus maybe 10%. If you live 2 years to 7 years, you might actually come out okay with it, depending on how much the death benefit is. $9.95 is not gonna give you a whole lot of death benefit, no matter what age you are. And then, if you do the math, times, let's say you live 10 years, you've probably ended up paying more in premiums than the actual death benefit. So if you see these advertisements, be very wary. Do the math, the premium times 12 over a certain extended period of time. And if you think you're gonna live that extended period of time, there's probably a better plan. And if you're healthy, there's definitely a better whole life plan where you can probably get a lot more coverage for a equal or lower premium. It's not gonna be $9.95. That's completely misleading. And if anybody gets a plan for $9.95, it's useless, all right? So whenever you see these advertisements, if you ever have any questions, feel free to reach out, but don't get one. I mean, they're just not good. It's a very rare situation where these plans work. So if you see Colonial Penn or SeniorLife.com or any of these other ones, run. There are decent whole life policies, and if you can get a term still, they're even better. Save your money elsewhere, let it grow for 10 years, and you'll be much happier and you'll have a death benefit. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.